So Ian is wrapping up a head gasket on an '07 Suzuki Forenza. As you can see, the cylinder head is nice and shiny because we got it back from the machine shop. We always like to send them there for inspection and making sure that everything is in good order before reassembling. As you can see, you got the red down here for the assembly lube, and you put that in there before the cams so that way with initial startup it's not a dry fire and it actually has a little lubrication going through it. So he's got the one cam on there with the cam caps already on, and then he's just finishing everything else up prior to getting ready for startup, really. So probably another hour or two and he'll have this thing up and running and available for you to buy should you have any kids looking for a first car. It's a little gold guy and it runs and drives great, prior to needing a head gasket. So let us know. About to run real great. That is right.